So we've got a problem here with our bulk tank. The agitator is not shutting off no matter what the timer is set at. We got this mueller controller for the bulk tank, but you can tell no matter what the position is, it doesn't shut off. So we took the front cover off there, and right up in here is the agitator timer. You can see it's got a couple Phillips screws. That one there looks a little bit rough. Hopefully we can get it loose there. Looks like it's been wet. And we'll pop the old one out of there. We shut the power off already, so should be safe that way. So here's the new timer kit. It was like 150 bucks, I think. And it's just the timer basically. It's the same exact one that we have on there, I believe. So we'll just remove the wires and reconnect them where they were on the new one. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully, as long as I don't screw it up. All right, we just put the new kit came with new screws. So we hooked it up exactly the same way as it was before. And we just turn the power on. Hopefully we can, oh, I can't get this lined up. There we go. See if this one works. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Whew. Good. Hopefully when I turn it, it shuts off. Yep, there it goes. So much better. Seemed to be the problem. So anyway, one less problem to worry about today. Got her fixed. Have a good day. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.